In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a completely original decorative tray, coaster, or art decor piece from scratch using Blender, a powerful 3D design program that is completely free and available to everyone. You don't need an expensive 3D program or a ready-made model. We will start with a blank scene and gradually sculpt the entire design, shaping the form and adding your own unique details and surface texture. Once the digital model is ready, I will guide you through the next stages of the process. First, we will prepare a 3D print, a master mold. This printed mold will then be filled with silicone to create a durable, flexible, and reusable casting mold. The finished silicone mold can be used again and again to create your designs using materials such as plaster, cement, polymer plaster, or other casting compounds. After casting, you can leave the piece in its natural finish or take it further by painting, decorating, sealing, or glazing it, depending on the material and the final effect you want to achieve. This process allows you to transform a simple digital idea into a physical, repeatable product that you can use for your own projects, collections, or small business. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the complete workflow, from sculpting your designs in Blender to producing your own reusable silicone mold and casting the finished decorative piece.